addressing the subconscious fears and expectations. So we are all good with the conscious ones. We feel them, we know them, no big deal. There are two choices we have, right? So we are aware that we are scared. We are aware that maybe we have some expectations. There is a way of going about it in which we kind of push them on the side, or we ignore them, or we just, soldier through it and, go into the experience with this kind of warrior energy. Let's do this. And then there is another way, also with conscious fears and expectations, of sitting with them and just to be with them, to allow them and to see also what they are about. But then, of course, it gets tricky when the fears and the expectations are subconscious. You are not aware of them. They are pretty much invisible. And the meditation is about making some of those fears or expectations aware, conscious, visible, so that then you can sit with them. From my experience, it's really one of the most overlooked components of preparation, but they are the ones that actually minimize the risks the most and maximize the benefits the most. Because when the subconscious fears and expectations are addressed and soothed and relaxed, that's when you have the least amount of resistance, of fear, of panic, of anxiety, also during the experience.